if you feel you have to sit down and then you sit down, it's the best thing you can do. That's actually what I've managed, that you notice what's going on in your body. And maybe it was just, we went through this sequence in, from my experience, already very deep way. And your body just said that was enough. And he had to signal it to you, stop, why should I do now this? That's intellectual. Let's stop it. And he makes the arms heavy. How can your body express its needs? Its needs, or even what the body thinks. I think you are crazy. I switch my lightness, the light off for fears, go to bed. Maybe it was just this, yeah, that you were in a really good connection with your body. The rest, I'm not completely clear what it is. I just try to show that in this exercise, there are so many levels. It's the climax of all of them. We are on the summit. What we have in the first two, yes and no, sympathy, antipathy, all this work from down there lives in this gesture. And all what comes afterwards, the hope, ooh, and the aha, lives in the love gesture. So them two come together, and then you have in each of them again this polarity that when you do the love, you have in a way also this, the stem, yeah, you have the leaves and the everything, but there also the stem starts to become created and have a fulfillment here. And when you do the E, which in a way seems to be protection, but it connects you with the earth, and if you feel into it, you can realize, notice, that there's also coming as a quality of love which actually enters this gesture then. And with this gesture, yeah, and love sometimes mean you have to be clear and this like that, but it's out of love that this comes from there. That both elements have again both sides in them. But I can understand that the body says that's too much now. Yeah, okay.